have you ever looked down at your arms and wondered, why do my veins look green? It's one of those everyday mysteries that almost everyone notices at some point, but few people actually stop to think about. You might even have found yourself tracing those lines with your finger, curious about what's really going on beneath your skin. I mean, the blood inside them is red, right? We've all seen blood from a cut or a scrape, and it's definitely not green or blue. So, what gives? Why do our veins look so different from the blood they carry? So, what's up with the color switch? Is it some kind of trick, or is there more to the story than meets the eye? Let's break it down and get to the bottom of this colorful puzzle. First, let's clear up a big myth. Your blood is always red, no matter what. That's right, whether it's in your arteries, your veins, or even in a lab test tube, blood never actually turns blue or green. It doesn't magically turn blue or green just because it's inside your veins. This is a common misconception, but the truth is much simpler, and a lot more interesting. In fact, blood gets its red color from hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen. Hemoglobin is packed inside your red blood cells, and it's what makes blood such a vivid color. When hemoglobin is loaded with oxygen, like in the arteries that carry blood away from your heart, it's a bright, almost cherry red. When it's given up its oxygen, like in the veins returning blood to your heart, it turns a darker, deeper red. Simple as that. No blue, no green, just different shades of red, depending on how much oxygen is present. So, why do veins sometimes look bluish or even greenish under your skin? If the blood is always red, what's causing this optical illusion? It's all about light and the way your body plays tricks on your eyes. Here's how it works, and it's actually a pretty cool science lesson. When light hits your skin, some wavelengths get absorbed and others bounce back. Your skin acts like a filter, letting certain colors through while blocking others. Your skin absorbs most of the red light, especially since red light has a longer wavelength and doesn't penetrate as deeply. But blue and green wavelengths can travel deeper into your skin, reaching the veins below. As these colors bounce back out, they pass through your skin and hit your eyes, making veins look blue or green depending on your skin tone and lighting. The way light scatters and is absorbed creates this colorful effect, almost like a natural filter built into your body. But there's more. The story doesn't end with just light and color. The depth and size of your veins also play a role. Veins that are closer to the surface of your skin interact with light differently than those that are deeper down. If a vein is closer to the surface, it might appear bluer because the blue wavelengths are scattered more easily and reach your eyes first. If it's deeper, or your skin has a different undertone, green can take over. The combination of skin thickness, undertone, and vein depth all work together to create the color you see. People with lighter skin often see blue veins, while those with warmer or olive skin might notice theirs look green. It's a unique personal effect, almost like a fingerprint for your veins. Here's a cool fact: if you actually cut open a vein, don't try this at home obviously, it would still look dark red, not green. The color you see from the outside is just an illusion created by light and skin. The green or blue effect only happens when you see veins through layers of skin. Once the blood is exposed to air, it's always that familiar red. So, the next time you catch yourself staring at those green lines on your wrist, remember, it's not about the blood changing color. It's about how your body and the world around you interact in fascinating ways. It's pure science, light, skin, and a little bit of optical illusion. Your body is full of these little mysteries, and each one has a cool explanation behind it. And hey, it's not something weird or unhealthy. In fact, it's a sign that your body is working just the way it should. It's just your body being, well, your body. The next time someone asks you why veins look green, you'll have the answer, and maybe even impress them with your science. Know how? Kinda cool, right? Our bodies are full of surprises, and sometimes the answers are hiding just beneath the surface. Literally. If you enjoyed this quick look at one of your body's everyday mysteries, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more answers to questions you didn't even know you had. Thanks for watching, and remember, there's always more to discover about the amazing science inside you.